you will see and do things you cannot imagine. You will be adored, hated, needed, lost, and found. You will live everywhere and nowhere. You will lose all your friends and your own life. You will go to the ends of the earth and yet be part of the beginning of the greatest movement on earth. People will say you were a fool, and that I was a fool, and that it was all a lie. Others will celebrate and venerate your memory and call you a saint. But none of that's the point. The point is that you will have said yes to the world's no. That you hoped against hope and believed against belief. That you surrendered everything and held fast to the very end. Will you follow